Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions, clearly not your forte.
In this video, we will look at the model of the female reproductive organ in details. So I will discuss the functions of the female reproductive organ, including what they do, what they work, and how it can affect our mental health. So as you can see here, these are its parts of the female reproductive organ. So first we have the fallopian tube. We have the fallopian tube right here. So these are the narrow tubes that are attached to the upper part of the uterus. So the main function of the fallopian tube is to collect the mature ovum from ovaries and provide passage to the fertilized ovum to reach the uterus for implantation. Next is the ovaries. We have here the two circles. So mo ni siya gitawag nato og ovary, kaning murag itlog sa kilid sa kaning naay kamot-kamot. So mo ni siya ang ovary. The ovaries are small, oval shaped that are located on the either side of the uterus. The ovaries produce egg cells called the ova or the oocytes. So the oocytes are transported to the fallopian tubes where fertilization by sperm occur. Next is the fimbriae. So kaning murag kamot-kamot na nagunit sa ovary. So that's what we call fimbriae. So fimbriae, which are finger-like projections surrounding the opening, and they help in collection of ovum after the ovulation. Cervical canal that passes through the cervix, it allows blood from a menstrual period and a baby to pass from the womb into the vagina. The sperm travel up to the cervical canal, then through the uterine cavity into the fallopian tube to fertilize the egg. So, muna siya ang buhat sa cervical canal. Next is the endometrium. So, muna siya ang part ang itawag of endometrium. Endometrium is the inner lining of the uterus. Each month, the endometrium thickens and renew itself ay mag-prepare man siya sa pregnancy. At if the pregnancy doesn't occur, the endometrium sheets into a process called menstruation. So below the cervix is what we call the vagina, which is a flexible tubular structure that connects the internal and external reproductive organs. And the vagina also allows fluids such as menstrual blood and discharge to leave the body.